Hey guys, what's going on? Mike is back with another unboxing video. On this unboxing video, we're gonna unbox, take a look inside, build quality, what it comes in the box, and of course we're gonna do the sound demo. I always like to listen the product before I purchase, right? With the speaker, right? And we're gonna add the tweeter. Right? That's why I'm doing unboxing plus sound demo. Watch my other videos in the life and speed so you guys can see tons of comparison with the expensive versus cheap, cheap versus diamond, so on. I always compare and try to find the best product for your money. All right, this is the JBL GTO19T. This tweeter is highly rated, so we're gonna take a look what is inside, why this tweeter has so much love, right? All right, the packaging always JBL and Infinity is on top notch. You're not gonna get damaged product when you're receiving, and as you can see, you have a million different kind of the mounting bracket. Whatever side you want to use, you wanna other side, you're gonna just break it, and you have a tons of different adapters for different application. And also you have a different adapters for all kind of other kind of app. So JBL throw you any possible options to mount this tweeter. So you're not gonna have any. Oh my god! All right, screw it. What is this? As you can see, guys, you have a special JBL badging. And look at these wires, and look at the filters. Let me open one. I think when I say always like JBLs and Infinities top for the price. Some guys say, "Oh God, the mic, you are the biased," but no, it's guys. As you can see, they put things together. And the smallest tweeter I've ever seen, right? Look at this guy. Look at this. I can lost this guy in 2 seconds. All right, so I break the package, and that's okay. I'm gonna throw it anyway. So you have a nice instruction with different language, and you have a mounting. What else you guys need from this company, huh? For the price you guys paying. I'm not advertising. I spend my cash, so I'm gonna install this guy. I'm gonna give some power now, and we'll see it is worth it to spend that much money or not. This is a tweeter itself, guys. If you don't know what is this is smallest tweeter. This is 1-inch tweeter, guys. I just unbox it. Watch my other videos on life and speed. Look at the size. All right, this is 1-inch. This is how your regular tweeter looks like. All right, this is the smallest. So let's see. But this one heaviest than Rockwell Fosgate Prime. See this? But this one heavier. So now the tons of wire, and look at the filter. It's the biggest filter in the class. Biggest filter. This is Pioneer, for example, right? Pioneer filter. If you I open the case, it's a lot smaller inside. This is from the Skar audio. Nice filter. But look at the size of. This is from the biggest tweeter, right? Smallest tweeter with the biggest balls. All right, that's how we're gonna call it. Let's connect. Let's give some juice. I want to listen this guy. I want to listen how this guy producing sound with all these fancy filters. I will play the trap music. Reason why I have a two speakers, so I'm gonna connect these speakers also. This one plays up to 23,000 hertz. This one plays up to 30 2000 hertz or something like it's very high playing tweeters. If these tweeters outperform upgraded speakers, for example, these speakers will play way better than any stock, any, you know, high-end stock, for example, Harman Kardon upgraded Bose system, right, on the vehicle. They play better than any, you know, factory coming any sound system, right? If this tweeters outperforms these tweeters, then this is a definitely upgraded. If they plays lower than that, if you don't hear the difference, then these two tweeters gonna be just a replacement, right? Let's go my microscopic tweeter. Welcome to JBL, guys. All right, this is greatest and smallest Twitter I ever listened. So let's pull some juice. All right, same music with the speaker, right? And we're gonna add the tweeter. Yeah. Very clean playing tweeters. Really clean. You don't hear any hissing sound, just the pure music details. For the price you're paying, it is worth it. Yes, 100% worth it. It's very small. You can use on your motorcycle. You can mount any place. Even look at the size. You can hide in any place, and you have a tons of different, you know, modifications. And you shouldn't make any big holes. And yeah, definitely, guys, go ahead. Even you have an upgraded sound system, upgraded speakers, this guy will add some nice tone. But if you have a big speakers like this, which is produce a lot of power, a lot of volume, so you need something bigger than this, because RMS power is not highest. So on this JBL GTO tweeters, but yeah, definitely, if any application from the stock upgraded sound system and 3-way, 2-way, not the pro audio, of course you can't compare with this monster, right? It's gonna fall inside with this kind of monsters. But yeah, definitely a really good product for the price. All right, let me know on the question section if you have any question. I'm gonna unbox different DC kickers, infinity capacitor here, expensive one. I have some kind of 4 cals, very expensive one. Universal TS something. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna upload all the video. Thank you for watching.